TV, your virtual newsroom for telecom professionals. Joining us here today is Mr. Mike Krza, the CFO of ViaWest. Mike, thank you for joining us here.
Thanks for having me, Jaymie.
Can you give us a quick overview of ViaWest for those of our viewers who may not already know?
Sure. ViaWest is one of the largest privately held data center and managed service providers in North America. We operate 22 data centers in 6 different markets in 5 separate states. We provide services to over 1,000 customers in those data centers, and those services include managed colocation, managed hosting, as well as our recently announced cloud computing platform.
Yes, I've been hearing some great news about that cloud computing platform, so congratulations there. In other news, you recently announced significant debt financing. Can you tell us a little bit more about that deal?
Yes. Over a period of 3 weeks, we were able to close an expansion of $65 million of our 2 credit facilities. $55 million of that expansion came from our senior facility, which was led and arranged by RBC Capital Markets. And then $10 million came from our mezzanine lenders, led by Barclays Capital and invested in by both Barclays and Solar Capital.
You certainly received some positive reception from that deal, particularly in such a short time frame. Can you tell us what were the drivers of that positive reception?
Well, ViaWest has been able to grow very nicely over the last couple of years. That growth has been particularly accelerated by the investment that Oak Hill Capital made in the company in May of 2010. That has allowed the company to both expand the existing data centers of the company, as well as procure new ones, and as well expand our service offerings, including our new cloud compute platform, which we were able to announce late in 2011.
And you talked about your data center markets. In particular, can you tell me where are your locations?
We have data center footprints located in Dallas, Denver, Salt Lake, Portland, Las Vegas, and Austin.
Can you tell us where ViaWest is heading in 2012, 2013?
Sure. We're excited to continue to expand both our data center and our service offerings. Roughly 50% of our new bookings come from our existing customer base, so they'll really dictate where our capital dollars are deployed. But we do expect that we will expand our footprints in our existing markets, as well as add to our service offerings, particularly in our cloud compute platform.
It's definitely a story about expansion and growth over at ViaWest. Certainly a company to watch. Thank you, Mike, for joining us here on JSA TV, and thank you, viewers, for tuning in.